Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. So I'm in the midst of making some very dramatic upgrades. Upgrades complete. Now it's time to get on to a project. So I'm finding myself in desperate need of some T-NutZ. You know, I can't believe I'm saying this, but let's do a T-NUT video. So as you can see, we got a nasty old chunk of 1x1 square bar in there. No, I usually don't do voiceovers, but it sure beats chipmunk voice. Anyways, we're defacing up two of the sides here and cleaning them up. I'm not going to do the whole bar because we're going to use that end later on. Now I got about 165 thou to take off here. So I'm going to do it in two passes. So I'm probably only going to show you just one. Then we're going to take this over to the bandsaw. That's one. That's two. Now these are not so quick but dirty T-NutZ. I just try to get them done. And milling attachment's pretty slow, so what we're doing here is we're just spot drilling them. And then we're going to drill and tap them. I'm just getting the tap started here, and then we'll just take it over to the bench and finish her off. And we're tapping it out with a half 13 tap. And I'm not actually running the tap all the way through. I'm stopping when about 2 or 3 of the tap threads actually poke through there. So that way the bolt will come to a stop and not actually be able to go all the way through. Alright, so I got to hog off like almost a 1/4 inch off this. That's why I drilled and tapped them first, because then it's a little less material to hog off. So, yeah, I'm going to take off almost a 1/4 inch, probably in 2 separate bites of equal value. Well, one more pass like that, we can make the slots, or the channel things. All right, just got to do that to the other side. And then we're going to have a couple T-NutZ here. Now I'm going to level with you guys. This may very well be the last time you see this milling attachment in action. Well, for anything significant, that is. So I'm going to play this last clip in real time. But if you want to go ahead and skip the 921, I will hold it against you. Alright, then if we did those right, they should be 525 thousandths. Close, close is perfect. I call that perfect. Alright, so see you guys at the bench. So, those are actually some pretty decent cuts with the milling attachment there. I'm not going to worry about the saw cut ends, they're pretty much irrelevant. And those are all 100 thou plus depth of cut. Like each pass was 125 thou deep by 150 thou in. So that's pretty decent for a milling attachment, I think. I'm not saying they could all do that, but now you might be asking yourself, why does Chris need T-NutZ? Well, this video's kind of taking a little longer than expected. I wish I would have liked some smaller material to make these. but I can tell you they fit. Fit what, do you ask? Well, I think we're gonna have to get into that in the next video. I have got a lot of film with 3 or 4 different projects on the go already. So there is lots of stuff coming. They're not done yet. And I ran into little snags like this. I figured I might as well do a T-NutZ video. Everybody else has. Anyways, guys, there's our T-NutZ. This one still needs a little deburring. But that's going to be it for this episode. The shop was in a kind of a steady state of disarray. I've been making some very dramatic upgrades, so stay tuned for that. But until then, coming very soon, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Well, it seems like once a year, got to go through this process of rearranging things. Just a total freaking disaster in here. But that is the price of progress. More coming soon.